In this tutorial, you will learn how to get started with analyzing data in Google Analytics. There are a whole lot of different options, what might be overwhelming at the beginning. Let's start exploring the user interface by navigating to Audience and clicking Overview. This drop-down panel is used for setting the time range for the analysis. Users shows how many unique visitors Google has detected on the site in the chosen time range. The number of sessions tells you how many times the website has been loaded for browsing. Page views simply tells you the number of times that individual pages have been loaded. Average session duration shows how long visitors stay on the site. Lower on the page you can find information on demographics of the audience, systems used, and mobile browsing. Next we will navigate to Acquisition and click Overview. Organic search means people who end up to your site by Googling for the site content. Direct traffic is mostly visitors who have typed the website address in their browser and landed on your site. Social traffic comes from social media channels. Referrals is traffic from visitors on other websites clicking links pointing to one of your pages. More information of each channel can be found by clicking the channel name. Last but not least, we will navigate to Behavior and click Overview. Here we find information which pages are most popular and the number of page views. That's it for now. Dig deeper into Google Analytics to find the data that is most valuable for you or your clients.